Hello guys, Merry Vlogmas day 5. And guess what it's doing? Can you tell? Yep, I bet you can. It's crazy out here. We started out early this morning with rain, and it was just a little dampness on the ground. And then you could see the change in the snowflakes, or in the raindrops, to more of a consistency of a snowflake. And then it just kind of disappeared. And then it started sticking, which is what it's doing now. So this is the driveway, sticking to everything. It's beautiful. And it's cold, but it doesn't feel as cold. Maybe I'm getting used to it. I remember last spring, well, yeah, it was early spring. We had really cold temperatures going on, and for quite a while, and it was near zero for several days. And then all of a sudden it went up to 10 degrees, and I remember talking to a family member, and they asked what the temperature was, and I told them, I said, well, it's finally 10 degrees today. It feels so good. And I never thought that I would say, wow, 10 degrees, whoop-de-doo, you know. But it really felt good after having really cold temps. So maybe my body's getting used to the little bit of a cooler weather. Even though we haven't had much, it's actually been pretty good lately. So we've been pretty lucky this year as far as the cold temps go. We've had a few days here and there, but it hasn't been too bad. So yeah, we're expected to get up to a foot, 15 inches. I don't know, who knows, from 10 to 15 inches, who knows, who knows. We'll know when it's done, and we'll go, oh, look what we got. So yeah, it's coming down pretty good clip right now, and it's quite beautiful. Let me turn you around so you can see what it looks like. There we go. It's pretty, sticking to everything, sticking to the evergreens. The tractor's ready. I think my camera's loose, so I can get it tight. There we go. So yeah, tractor's all ready to go. Took the bucket off. We got the plow on. Got the firewood full in the house, so we don't have to come out and get firewood, which we do anyways. We try and keep our holder in there full, so. But yeah, the chickens were out this morning in the rain a little bit, but I bet they're in their house right now. I bet. Get the trucks moved over here. We move them out of the way so we can plow and get by them. We're all ready to go. We got our fuel in our wood shed. We've got one stack gone, so we put our fuel in there. It's for the tractor, and gasoline for any emergencies we may have if we can't get gas, things like that. My poor Christmas window is all snowed in. Well, let's see, I don't see any tracks out here, so I'd say they haven't been out. Let's see. Hi, girls. What's going on in here? How come you don't want to come outside? Is there something wrong out here? You're not saying? Yep, they're all hanging out in here, Yeti included. Hopefully they got it out of their system this morning, because they won't want to come out for a few days. Well, once we get it plowed, they usually like to come out, but I don't know if you can see the panels are getting all snow covered. And I'll come out probably in the morning and clear them off so so that if we get any sun tomorrow, which I'm not sure, I'm not sure if it's supposed to snow all day. I don't know. I haven't checked the weather from only, you know, I think it was yesterday to find out if we really were having a storm. But anyway, we're definitely getting a storm. Since it's Saturday, I'm going to do a quick shout out Saturday. I don't know if that's a thing, but I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to shout out 2 local-ish channels that we have here in New England that I like to follow, and we're enjoying talking back and forth, and they're probably having the same weather we are right now, so we're all in this together, guys. So My Tiny Retirement, they're in Maine, and I just found them recently, and it's pretty cool to find out that we have some YouTubers in Maine, and there's some other ones too, and I'll shout them out another day. But I wanted to shout out My Tiny Retirement, Christy and Mitch. They sold a big house that they were living in another state, and they put in a little tiny house here in Maine on some property, and they're fixing it up, and it's looking really cute. And she does a lot of cooking and stuff on her channel, so go check her out, My Tiny Retirement. I'll put a link to their channel in the description below. And the other one is Twin Brook Acres. They're in New Hampshire, not far from us, a little ways. But we're enjoying watching their channel as well. They've got an old farmhouse with a barn and stuff that reminds me a lot of my husband's family's property and house. They had a house that was built in the 1850s or 60s, and their house reminds me so much of theirs before it was revamped, renovated. It is a little bit cold. My mouth does not want to work today. And he's redoing his barn right now, and he's lifted it up and doing a bunch of work to that, and it's fun to watch the what they're going through to do that. So go check them out, Twin Brook Acres and My Tiny Retirement. Again, link in the description. Give them a look, subscribe if you like it, and leave them a comment and tell them Whiskey and Sunshine Off Grid sent you. And I don't know, I guess that's it. We're getting snow. And you know, we're ready, we're waiting. I've been doing some crafting, and we got the dog in there snuggled up by the fire, and the chickens are all in. I'll probably just close their door because they won't come out again today. So they'll be locked up for the night anyway. But, well guys, here it is. We'll be back again tomorrow for day 6, and I'll show you the outcome of what we got, how much we got. We'll check on the old the grill, the measurement of the snow on the grill, on the deck, because that's where you officially do that in Maine. So anyway guys, thanks a lot for watching. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow.